G'day subscribers, today we're at the FJ. We're going to be doing some work on burning the locator lugs into the front suspension on the cross member, and also we'll have a look at what's happened with the number one cross member, the dog legs. You're with Jules Knight on Jive Talking Garage. We're at Wamuran. So we've had all my cross member sandblasted, and we've had a problem with it. We had cracks that are here, an extra hole, more cracks, and also the locator lugs here and over here didn't exist. These other ones were okay. So Dan the welder's going to put new locator lugs on here that we got from Maxi. And he's already got that one clamped in place, so we're just going to burn him in with the MIG. Watch the paint, Dan. It's beautiful. We need to take care of it.
Are you happy with the alignment?
Yeah, love it. Looks good from here. Well played. This time we're filling in the cracks. So we've panel beated the metal up. A valley's been created in the crack. So a new cut's been put in it. And Dan's welding up the valley for me.
Grind it.
And then we'll grind it when it's cool. Alright, we're going to grind that one down now. Okay, a bit of fabrication on the run. Okay, so he's cutting the valley in. Yeah, you want me to give it a hit? Alright, okay, here. You hang on to that. Hammer and dolly time. Okay, so we are... Okay, so this is up. So what we need to do, dolly underneath, and I'm trying to move that over. Okay, so we've got that now. Now I'm going to try and make it flat. Now there's a definite bit there. Dan, I think we need to go actually straight through there, because there's one piece of metal that's under another. So if we just run the disc through it, that'll make a little separation through there, and we can just weld that up, because otherwise you're going to have one sitting underneath the other. Just trying to pull it as I hit it. Yeah, I think we're going to have to... Well, it's not too bad, but... Anyway, you have a look. You tell me what you think. So we're just doing it on the run. Do you want to cut it or do you just want to weld it? You do what you think.
Let's grab the hammer again.
Okay, go for it. See, it's a bit hard. There's one over the top of the other, which is why I thought, well, if we just put a little slit through it, we can just bang it together.
Sounds good.
Okay, you do it. You do that one. Just come up from under. Perfect. And if you need to take the other top down. Oh, okay, no, it's.
Yeah.
Just be careful of the paint on the tailgate,
Another grind just through here.
Yep, sure. Okay, our earth. Long way down. Okay, so earth's on now. It's on fire. Smoking. Looking good, Dan. Thank you. There we go. Repair of front cross member on an FJ Holden. Your Jules Knight Jive Talking Garage. So Dan's finished the job. So here we have the original one, and here we have the one from Max that Dan's been able to burn in. As we've got Supervisor Louis on the job. It's a bit cold. It's 10 degrees here at Bambalam. He's also done the repairs for us where the front engine mount sits. So all those cracks have now been ground into a valley, and the valley welded up, and then the weld ground down. And here is the other locator lug. So thank you, Max, for sending that through to me. That was very kind of you. And also the other Jive talkers who wanted to be able to get some for me from Sydney. I appreciate everyone's efforts. That was great. And Dan's been able to make it whole, so I can, as you can see, do a little bit of work where it needs, from where it's been spat on by the MIG welder. So I'll clean that all up, put some primer on it, and we'll get it to the troncolator so he can after it's all painted, dress it up for me with all the hardware. So we've had another busy day with Project Julius, working on the FJ. So it's with Dan the welder. We are concentrating on the A-pillar, getting the A-pillar right to start with. The number one cross member's been put in and the extension parts have been tacked in place. So we're getting the front A-pillars right so that we can burn the new replacement pieces in, fix the vertical wall that is behind the kick panel, because there's a bit of rust there, and then fix the angle line that goes around the corner from that panel, which the door bolts onto. Now the door hinges are fine. It's below the door hinges where we have some rust. So it's a matter of just remanufacturing that part and then burning the bottom of the A-pillar in. Once that's done, we'll finish the rest of the, shall we say, the number one cross members, just burning that in, cutting the inner sills out and the outer sills. I've already marked them today, so that was a good thing. Then we'll just be starting from the inside and burning everything in and putting it back in place so that it's complete. So today we're working on that. We burnt the locator lugs in place. So that was important for the front cross member because it had two of them missing. So a really big thanks to Max, a friend of mine, for sending me two locator lugs. That was terrific. I really appreciated that. So Dan burnt those in. He also cut out a couple of tow bar bolts that were in the car from way back when. So they're gone. So I was really happy about that. And the other thing that's that we were working on is removing the exhaust pipe and the muffler. So that's all gone. The exhaust pipe has been sent to the shop, and the Brains Trust have got another muffler for me. And they said, all you need is a guy to weld it up for you. I said, oh, okay, all right. They said, don't get one, we've got one for you. I said, okay, that's fine. And I said, how come you got one for me? Oh, well, we had a spare made up, is what I got told. A spare, okay, all right. Why'd you get a spare one made up, was my comment. And I got answered with, we always knew you'd get another FJ Holden. I said, oh, okay. So when was the last batch of mufflers done up? Oh, 20 years ago. So that, God bless them, they've been sitting on this muffler for me for 20 years. So, yeah, I'll get it in the next week or so and go down and get it all sorted. But hope you've enjoyed the video today, showing you what we've been doing. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. But more importantly, enjoy your Holden.